cables by the dozens here. Oh, we got motherboard layout. That's going to be helpful. What do we got? A heartfelt, heartwarming story. Come on. Got her. Everything lined up. Sure all our metal tabs and such are lined up good. And just have to push a little bit on that to make the holes line up, and it should work itself out. Okay, this thing's still sitting loose. Make sure we got good clearance on the back side. We're not running into anything. I think our little hard drive. Yep, there's a little bit of room back there. Good, sitting pretty good. Gotta flip this back down. We'll continue filling this thing up. Slap my fan in, I guess. My slim fan. So what I read was use a bottom fan and a top fan as intake fans. The power supply hits, the heat is all isolated, so it all goes out the side and out the top and keeps the heat out of the case. And top intake fan here, bottom intake fan here. This one is an exhaust fan. I believe that means good stuff for our back fan, which is already set up as an exhaust fan. And then we just got to take this guy and slot her in. Oh yeah, yeah. So these short guys, they have coarse threads and they screw right into the plastic of the fans. So that's going to blow into the case. Actually, it's going to blow directly onto my graphics card. There are two fan headers. It's a fan or a water pump connector. So number 7 and number 18. On my legend it shows number 7 right there. Number 18 right there. So I'm gonna slot this into here. I'm gonna stab that card in. Dropping it in. Lining it up. Pushing it down. Listen for it to click. Then we've got some little plate to put back on, a couple screws. So hold it all together. We're all in there, bud. Fan in, plenty of clearance on the graphics card. It's all held in there. Card stabbed in, screwed in. Got some. Got a bunch of little covers over every little port on the back of this card. All right, card's in. That thing's in.